You can't keep waiting for the right time to retire. At some point, you got to decide. Enough is enough. Well, that moment came for me after having a minor stroke. As I sat in a hospital for 3 days, pondering over my situation, a lot of emotions poured through my head. What am I going to do? What if I can't ever work again? Fortunately, it only affected my right eye, but it forced me to take a hard look at my life. I spent over 40 years as a mechanic, working hard, doing the right thing, but I was nowhere near ready to retire the way I imagined I would. I didn't want to just scrape by. I just knew I needed to hurry up and find a solution. Selling everything we owned was not an option. I wanted freedom, security, and a reason to get up in the morning. But I needed an extra income to make all that possible. Social Security and some savings, that wasn't going to be enough to retire the way I'd always imagined. Well, that's when I found something that changed everything for me. I came across an article online, just like this video. Ordinary people were learning how to build online incomes. Well, they had a free 4-part video series that teaches how all this is possible. And I'm going to send those same videos to you. And this is a way to earn an income from home. And that's just what I was looking for. No chasing friends, no tech, no overwhelm from this, and no need to figure it all out on your own. And it's a complete step-by-step system designed to teach everyday people how to build an online income, even if you're brand new and starting with nothing. Pretty much this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a clear, beginner-friendly online training with a proven 3-phase roadmap. Prepare, launch, and grow. Includes personal mentors, real coaches, and a community that has your back. Plus, you got modern tools, you got AI, makes it easier than ever. This is going to help you find a business that you're passionate about. But it's more than that. It gave me direction, purpose, and the confidence to finally take control of my future. Well, now I want to share everything that I've learned with you so others like you can do the same. Click the link to watch the free videos. I'll also be sending you the 4-part video series that'll get you started. And inside, you'll see the full breakdown, how it works, how to get started, and real examples of people just like us who've built a second chance at retirement with clarity and purpose. So why not? Watch the videos. It could be the most important 10 minutes you've ever invested in your future in years. So click the link, put in your contact information, and watch the videos. You have nothing to lose. You got everything to gain. This could be the first step towards the retirement you always imagined. Then I'm going to see you on the other side.